Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video I will show you that the best website for presentation for students. So let's begin the video. So first of all, make sure that you are connected with your internet. First of all, open your Chrome. So you will here enter your Google. You will go to your Google. So the website of the presentation is, you will simply here search SlideShare presentation. At the first there is a www.slideshare.net. So in this there are we will go to the first one, SlideShare. So this is the website where we can found multiple presentations regarding to your subjects, or so this is the professional presentation. Here is the ad, skip the ad. So thus this SlideShare website is the best one to take the presentations out. You can also download from here. So at the top corner there is a search option. You can also search from here. We search like data. So these are the presentations of data. So this is the best website for the students website presentations. So if you like the video, please subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Have a nice day.